Unity stock. So this is about to be explained on for October. Right now, as you can see, I can explain for you everything in every site that should be understood and explained immediately. So let's go together. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. I really appreciate for you everything that is really needed here. And what we want to see here, in my opinion, about this is really, really very important for the side, where it has to be very good to continue the progress of what is upcoming for next targets or next stocks, as it should be seen on the slope line. Here is another slope line, as it should be understood. I think that is really one of things that should be really subtracted on succeed on the side on what is upcoming for this thing. Okay, not only this way but another ways can work. Okay, and it can be done, not only this way. But okay, you should know and understand it. This is going to be the site where it show everything about Unity stock. Okay, because if not so, it may goes to result in the side of next ties, next targets may go to have side of thing that is not going to be fine, or bleeding something that is not going to be bad. Thank you for watching.